Hello, my name is Matheus Nunes. This is my ECE 2035 project, and the first picture I'm showing is the menu starting screen. So I have three different items I can pick up. So I have the start, the high scores, and the extras. The extras is an about me that shows my name, the class, and a thank you message. Then for the high scores, that's where I store all of the leaderboard. So, but however, as I haven't played any games yet, it's not gonna say anything. But whenever I start the game, you can see on the top corner of the coordinates, the score, and the lives on my character. And as I move around, the scores increase. This is my teleporter that I tried to do anything to it right now at the moment and even walk into it and nothing happens. This is because the teleporter is deactivated. Right now I reached level 100, score 100, and I got a message saying that key has appeared. After I dismiss it, pressing a button, the character knows now that I have a key. I store that key inside a room that is completely locked by these white blocks, and they're only able to break through if you have a pickaxe. Right now I don't have any pickaxe. I haven't found a pickaxe yet, so I cannot go through that wall. So I'm gonna explore a little bit and try to find a pickaxe. I'm gonna use this time lapse real quick to just talk about a feature that I implemented and didn't talk during the video. That was the directional character design, which I created 4 sprites for each direction, and whenever I move towards that direction, the character follows accordingly. While looking for my pickaxe, I came upon another item I want to show you guys. This is the night vision goggles. When I walk through the night vision goggles, I have an increased visibility for around 3 seconds, and then it goes back to normal. And I can show you again. I increase my visibility for a little bit, and then it goes back to normal after some seconds. All right, I just found the pickaxe. I'm gonna pick it up, and I knew the pickaxe would be somewhere in the map because I made a code that allowed the pickaxe to be spawned inside the closed rooms, which can only be accessed by the pickaxe, or the boss chamber as well, which can only be accessed through the teleporter. So whenever I have a pickaxe and I go and I press the yellow, the number 1 button into the white block this time, the block breaks and I'm able to go in and collect the key. Then, having a key, if I go to the teleporter and I also press the active button, you can see that the teleporter starts glitching. This is the animation I implemented, so the teleporter has kind of like a shine vibe to it. Whenever it's activated, it starts just storming around, and it kind of has like an activated vibe to the teleporter. Whenever the teleporter is activated, now it is a walkable object and I can walk into it. Whenever I walk into it, I'm teleported into the big chamber room. And if I press the center button inside the room, oh, not that one. If I press the center button inside the room, the game is finished and the high score is collected. If I press B3 now, whenever I have a winning condition. If I restart, now I get sent back to the starting screen. If I go to scores, you can see the 523 that I just scored on my last run. So, a feature that I showed that I didn't mean to, but I showed real quick, was the pause feature. So if I press B4 while the game is running, the game pause screen shows up, and whenever the game pause screen is up and I move around, nothing happens. And I can only move again after I press B4 one more time and I come back. And you see that the score, the coordinates, and the life stayed the same. So it's not like I was moving and the screen was just bugging in front of it. I was actually paused and I could not update my game whenever I was paused. Lastly, I'm going to show how the losing condition works for the game. If I only have 1 life left and I go through the warning sign, I get sent to the red score screen, and this shows that I lost the game, and then it has the order pair. So I have the first run, which was 523 first, and then the second one that was 223.